Yo guys, it's Trey Muddy back with another video. Today we got some Team of the Year packs, a few quick sales, and Jonathan Ogden Legendary Objectives pack. We're gonna be getting at least 2 Team of the Year pulls today. So I went and grinded those solos, and I did all the Team of the Week solo challenges from the year. So let's take a look at what all we have to pull. There's some 92s, some rookie standouts. I like that Miles Garrett. I took him. I'm gonna sub him in for Jarrell Casey. So I'm gonna use that Casey for the +2 power move. But they also got a Tre'Davious White, and he's going for 200k. Hoping we could pull him something. So we're gonna open a couple of those regular packs too. We didn't use our points yet. I didn't like the bundle, but you can pull the offensive players out of packs this week, out of the Team of the Week give back set. But defensive players, they're in packs right now. You can pull those out of the regular pack. And the 2 corners, AJ Bouye and Casey Hayward, only have 90 speed. I don't know if they're going to be guarding with 90 speed. I don't know how they're 500k. That Clue Mac is nice, real nice, and he's got a new chemistry under pressure. Don't really make sense, but that Aaron Donald, that's a big boy card as well. Landon Collins. That's the man right there, 91 speed, 95 hitter. Antonio Brown, take him. 93 speed ain't very good, I'll just sell him right away. Carson Wentz. A lot of people are going to be after him also. He's got good stats, conductor, chemistry. Alright, let's get into these packs. I'll go ahead and open a couple of these preseason standout packs. So, here's our elite, just 83. Those are like 20k, 25k. Not enough for one more. Come on, give me a Team of the Year or that Tre'Davious White. Either one of those are fine. Nope. This took 20k from my account. What they said. Right, let's get into our packs. You see all the packs we got. Saved a few quick sales. Got 83. We should have pulled that Miles Garrett. Sell our other one back. Make 60k. Got the 88 Ogden. I think that's the first time I haven't got the 86 as the lowest one. Now they're going to those. So that was pretty cool. We'll get Geno Atkins out of the non-auctionable one from the solos. I think almost everyone got him. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. Everyone pulls that Geno Atkins. Got Le'Veon Bell out of our exchange pack. I don't know how much he's going to go for. He's 92 speed for a running back and very good. Barry Sanders has 95 and he's 300k right now. These quick sales, we got a 10k, a 5k, another 5k. I thought these were supposed to be cheese, opening them back to back. 5k. Well, give me a 75, 100, 5k. So that is 10k. See all what we got. See how much coins we made. We got a 5. So we made 40k off the quick sales total. Ogden is 10k. And the Le'Veon Bell. Ooh, damn. 480? 450? That was a great pull. That's an amazing pull, actually. Damn near, that's half a mil. We're gonna go on ahead and throw him up real quick before his price drops. I don't know if a 92 speed running back's gonna stay over 250k, 300k. Especially if you get Bo for 350. Got ours up for 70. He's got Never Stumble Cam. Yeah, he just doesn't compare to Bo Jackson. Any of the important stuff besides, I guess, carrying. Everyone's gonna fumble. I'm a big hitter. Like I said, these guys are about 20k each. Go on ahead and throw him up. And after selling that Le'Veon Bell, you see our coins. We went on ahead and did the Sean Taylor objectives or upgrade. Goes to a 97, and we're gonna take the physical front chem, add that block shed, add that hip power. It's my favorite defensive chem in the game. But Trey Muddy, and I'm out.